Title: Han Feizi and Lord Mengchang's Borrowed Army. During the Warring States period in ancient China, there exists a tale known as Han Feizi and Lord Mengchang's Borrowed Army, featuring the brilliant strategist Han Feizi and the ruler of Qi, Lord Mengchang. In this narrative, the state of Qi faced an external invasion, and Lord Mengchang urgently needed reinforcements. Recognizing Han Feizi's reputation for intelligence, he dispatched envoys to seek assistance from Han Feizi. When informed of Qi's insufficient military forces, Han Feizi proposed a unique strategy. Han Feizi conveyed to Lord Mengchang that he lacked a standing army, but could leverage the strength of Qi's populace. He suggested posting notices on city walls, announcing a large-scale road construction project that required citizens' assistance. During this process, he recommended identifying physically robust young men, providing them with financial support, and equipping them to form a military force. Subsequently, this force could be deployed to the front lines to confront the invading enemy. Lord Mengchang adopted this proposal, and the people of Qi enthusiastically responded, actively participating in the road construction effort. During this undertaking, Lord Mengchang selected a group of strong young individuals, forming a new army. Through rigorous training during the road construction process, this makeshift army transformed into a formidable fighting force. When the external threat materialized, the citizen-led army courageously engaged the enemy and successfully repelled the invasion. This story underscores the strategic utilization of the populace's strength, showcasing how clever organization and arrangement can lead to unexpected victories in warfare. Title: Grass Boats Borrowing Arrows. In ancient China, during the Warring States period, a strategic tale known as Grass Boats Borrowing Arrows unfolded. This story, documented in the renowned military treatise The Art of War by Sun Tzu, revolves around the conflict between the states of Chu and Qi. The central character is Fan Li, a brilliant military strategist from the state of Chu. In the midst of a war between Chu and Qi, the Chu army found themselves in a predicament. Their arrows were depleted, while the Qi army had a substantial stockpile. To overcome this dire situation, Fan Li devised a clever plan. He ordered the Chu forces to construct numerous boats made of grass and discreetly transport them to the riverside of Qi. Fan Li deliberately left deceptive traces at the riverbank, creating an illusion that Chu intended to cross the river using these grass boats. The Qi army, upon seeing this, mistakenly believed that Chu was planning a river crossing. Hastily, they prepared for an imminent attack, bringing a large supply of arrows to the riverbank in anticipation of the Chu forces. Seizing the opportunity, the Chu forces launched a surprise assault on the Qi army's camp, successfully capturing a substantial amount of arrows. Ultimately, Chu not only resolved their arrow shortage, but also gained additional ammunition, leading to their victory in the war. This story reflects the strategic brilliance of Fan Li in using deception and tactics to outmaneuver the enemy, achieving success even in the face of resource scarcity. It underscores the importance of clever strategies and adaptability in warfare, demonstrating how ingenuity can lead to unexpected triumphs on the battlefield.